I'm building a quiet or silent home data center with 10 gigs connectivity. A quiet, silent data center? Sounds cool, right? Yeah, well, but it's for home usage technically. And it's in the garage, yeah? So, but I still don't like noisy. And part of this project is NAS or NVR. And there is a lot of things to cool. I stocked various fans and decided to log all the info for myself in this video and maybe share with you, and you can find something interesting, useful for your own setup too. By the way, this data center project is a series of videos. You can subscribe to see all them. Something is already placed on my channel. Yeah, so let's go. How are we going to test sound? Well, actually, no any scientific approaches and no these tests at all. I will just test it here and tell you, let you know if it's silent or not. Well, probably you can hear something through the phone camera, I don't know. But I will be powering this from this Noctua power supply, so it's the first part that I bought. I bought it for different purposes, so but I cover this here. I think I'll put all. I don't think I will put all part numbers and prices to the description. So it's the power supply. You can see it comes with 3 different adapters, and that's the most important part. So you actually can buy use any other adapter, yeah, for specific voltage and power. And the most important will be this, that will allow you, without any soldering, etc., connect different fans. Then different types of splitters, I will put them also to the description. That one I don't remember, so it's from Amazon, I guess. deleyCON, this one, yeah, but let me show them in details. That is for 3, yeah, but okay, I will probably show them later. Let's talk about fans. So when we have this power supply here, we have 2 contacts because the only power, and all splitters you will get, probably all of them, they will have 1 for 4, yeah, PWM, yeah, and other will be for 3. So this splitter is done this way, and this splitters 1 to 4. So you will have the similar there. One will be for 4, other will be for 3 contacts. We are not about PWM and connection to the motherboard. We connect it to the power supply, and I use splitter for 4. Why? Because I want to test another item. You can see this one. It's Fan Controller from Noctua. I will put this on in the description also. That is what you have here. So it's the cable to power this controller from SATA. Splitter for 3, extension, that's it. So I want to plug it here, and then in the fan, 40mm Noctua fan, we have, I will get back to this fan later, we have also low noisy adapter, this one. I also want to connect it, and so we test 3 options. One through this low noisy adapter, through the fan control, for example, we put it to minimum and we'll see if it stops rotating or what happens, and directly from 12 volts. So 3 options, yeah, but we have splitter for 4, not a problem. So something like that. I told you, no scientific approach, not rocket science, just this dilettante approach. So I'm ready here with this fan controller. I didn't read user manual as any average user, so I don't know what means this, but we will figure out. So yeah, okay, 3 options, yeah, and we start from this fan that everybody knows, yeah. So it's 29 premium fan from Noctua. Why I bought it? Because I want to use it here for this cooler. Probably to install the second one. It will be in the video about this NAS. So when you buy this cooler, you have the second brackets, and you can install the second one. Be careful when you buy this. Some shops don't maintain right description, so you may find the wrong one with the slim one, or something is different there. Just watch on the picture when you buy this, because they can name it in the same way, but it will be the different item. So if you want to install the second one, you need to buy this one. Now let's try and listen what happens. So you notice, yeah, the difference. Of course, it makes less RPMs and less noisy, and here you can even achieve a full stop. And I don't know why is this button here, so it's time to read user manual. Well, guys, it says that it is about no stop mode, this button. But guys, in my case, it's always stop, regardless of this button. That's how I read no stop. I was thinking that, okay, in one mode it will never no stop, never no stop, never stop, stop no. Okay guys, so you can watch this from someone who is more expert in this. That's quite interesting. That's quite interesting. So, but guys, you can watch it from someone who is expert in this question. It is no stop mode, somehow. Guys, you can watch somewhere else. Yeah, I don't go deep in these details. I don't want now to research it, so probably later. Okay, let's go on the next one. And guys, you know that this cost a lot, yeah? And it's explainable. It's Austria, yeah, it's really good quality. And but there is another fan, and also 29mm, another brand which is called Be Quiet, and you also know them. And actually, guys, they're really good fan. I use them. I actually build a computer, I think, from Be Quiet housing case, Be Quiet power supply, and Be Quiet fan, and I think about 15 years I probably use it. So, another option for 29, much cheaper. Let's listen to this one. Well guys, and I decided I don't test anymore directly from 12, and neither from this low noisy adapter, because I can test everything through this one for maximum, minimum and medium. Yeah, and also because you cannot actually hear the difference, and I test them like one along each other and trying to compare. And guys, I feel this quieter. It's cheaper and quieter. Yeah, in my garage application case, where noise is not extremely important, I'm going to use this one. So for example here, probably there instead of the original one. So, and guys, look, if I'm trying to switch it off, finally, no stop button, it never stops. You can tell me dummies, in comments what does it mean. So this is my choice for 29 without thinking about noisy too much. If I need to think too much, I probably make more different tests. But when it's not extremely, and guys, you have seen I use it in my computer for several years and I'm quite satisfied. So my choice is this one actually. Quite cheaper. Original fan I will put in the description. That comes with this case. And guys, I don't hear any difference between this one on maximum speed, yeah? So, and because it's in the garage, I also decided that I will buy this case with the fans. I don't need to replace them. Too expensive. So it's quite okay. Yeah, and what else I have? I have also Fan 92 probably, yeah, here on this one. But guys, yeah, okay, I first show you. I already tried it. You can hear a huge difference, but guys, because it is against the surface, and actually our test should be to test this way. Yeah, it may have difference, but okay, I decided to test. Let's listen. I'm pretty sure you cannot understand this through the phone, but guys, it's still my favorite one. That's probably also okay. This is, yeah, it looks like noisy, but this is awesome. Well guys, here is another one brand, Arctic, also cheap and considered to be silent. 0 dBm, less than 5% of PWM. Yeah, so, but it's up to 5000 RPMs. Guys, by the way, okay, let's first turn it on. It's turned off here, and yeah, it's full stop. Wow, yeah, but look how it blows. And this is 5000. And guys, I wanted to say that actually I'm looking for a fan that I can connect to motherboard to 12 volts or motherboard or other 12 volts without any additional settings for fan speed, and it immediately quiet and provide good cooling. Yeah, so that's my preference. Yeah, the one that I can set directly from 12 volt without any regulations. And here 5000 RPMs I probably never need it, and if I need it, it's extremely loud. Wait. Extremely loud. Let's now look at the big brother of this one. Guys, this is quite silent, yeah. So that is one up to 100, 1800, 1800s, like you will say in the US. Yeah, and guys, let's stop it. Stop it. It stops. Non-stop mode, it doesn't stop. It will stop. Yeah, that's quite cheap and nice fun, and I wanted to use it in case of replacement needed here. 120 original fans here. If they fail, I will buy this one. Cheap, quiet, and also good performance. Let's discuss small fans now. Not that small, but 60 by 25, and guys, it's 5 volts bought by mistake, and the shop doesn't accept free return, even here in Finland. Well, actually, the shop is not from Finland, that's why they just ship to Finland. Yeah, well, I was thinking if I need to show you how you connect it from 12 volts, but they don't recommend to use 12 volts. Okay, through adapter we could test it, but I decided no, I don't want to test it. Why should I do? I just show you this part number, and just a kind of warning for you. Please watch what you are buying and don't buy 5 volts if you don't need 5 volts. The next one is Noctua for 40mm, but guys, actually I covered it in my video about this Microtic doing it silent. Let's listen it. You still hear some noisy, but imagine here is a kind of tunnel effect. Yeah, so, and the original fan was extremely noisy. You can watch my video and see how nice I did it there. So, yeah, so it's covered there. Probably even the packaging is covered there, but let me just show you anyway something. We borrowed this low noise adapter from there. So it's like that one. Okay, let's now consider the last one, the cheapest one, options. First of all, I found two other brands that consider it to be silent. Gelid, and this AAB, not ABB, AAB, both from Amazon. And if you read one-star reviews, you understand that they are not so good like this one. Yeah, why do I need to read 5 stars review if they are usually bought by the manufacturers? So I read usually 1 star, 2 star, and then I analyze myself, are they adequate or not. So, but what I want to now actually do, I still opened this one and I want to compare this 40 with Noctua 40. Let's just listen to them. Why I wanted this one? Yeah, I wanted probably like for my Crotic, try this one, and actually maybe cooling the chipset here. To blow out, not to, but out. So that was my idea. But now let's listen them. First of all, 40mm Noctua. You barely can hear this. Maybe this way. And this Gelid 40. Well, actually it's quite silent. This way. Well, maybe this way too. Yeah. And that is not PWM. It's 3-pin. So RPMs I will put in the description because I don't see it right here. So it's about how good it can cool stuff in compare with Noctua. But yeah, it's okay. About reliability, yeah, I'm sure it's not that good as the Noctua, of course. Yeah, but well, that's how it goes. So another one, Gelid Silent 5. Yeah, it's quite, yeah, it's silent. It is. Again, what is RPM? I don't know right now. I will put in the description. Yeah, how much air it blows and compare, for example, with Noctua 60. Also, I don't know. Right now, you can always check the spec. Reliability, yeah, okay. It's also, yeah, so like that. And this Gelid, I think I haven't seen PWM options for them, so they're just 3-pin, so they rotate how they rotate, and they loud as they loud. My idea was to use them, for example, here on HBA card, because it's hit a lot, 60 degrees about. It will go to the video about this NAS, so I wanted to cool it. My idea was to place something here. I was thinking which one I will place, and guys, now I think that probably I will use even this 5 volts Noctua here, maybe there. So I don't know yet. By the way, I installed already this. It will go to the video about this NAS, so I will probably use it with the adapter. Usual adapter for yellow line means for 12 volts, and I need red line for 5 volts. I will probably take it from there and use them anyway. I just tell you that the idea with small one was to cooling some parts like this card and chipset. So subscribe to see the video about this server. If it's already published, I will put the link. Anyway, the project is ongoing, so there a lot of other stuff is coming. So, and I think we have the last option in this small size is this AAB. Let's take a look. So guys, this super silent, and you can hear this. I need to raise my voice. Yeah, it's super silent, super. You can hear this, yeah, guys. So, and this just 2500 RPMs, 17 dB. I think they just wrote some number without thinking. I think it was 20. Yeah, so I think we should forget about AAB option. So look, it even touches this surface there, so it's not so doesn't have embossed frame. Yeah, well, it was a mistake. I think 70 is also coming. It was a huge mistake. It's cheap one, but yeah, cheap and super cheap and super silent. What if we rotate it off? Ah, yeah, it's not PWM, by the way. Yeah, just 3-pin. So I think it's quite useless. I don't know where I will apply it. Well, guys, in this mess, I think I covered everything. Maybe I forgot something. I'm not sure. Yeah, I will continue building this NAS. Subscribe to see it. I'm not yet sure which fan I will actually apply here and there. Yeah, still thinking about it. Also thinking why I bought this for 5,000 RPMs. Do they have for less RPMs? Yeah, I think I covered all the stuff. More details about exact application will come here, so subscribe. I think I told it, so I'm in the loop. Yeah, so the project is continue. Have a good Friday. For me, for you, I don't know when you watch this. And remember to do your comments, subscription again, and likes. Bye.